we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of HUAREW window air conditioner side panel with frame. Consists of the following features. Universal AC window seal kit. Height, 11-1/4 inches, width, 11-3/8 inches, widely applicable to most window air conditioning units with 5000 BTU. No cutting required. Our framed window air conditioning side panel width can be adjusted, and the louver design is convenient for you to adjust according to the required width. Improved thermal insulation. The adjustable window air conditioner side panels with frame are made of high-quality materials to ensure long-term use with excellent heat, wind, and dust sealing, helps reduce noise, drafts and light from outside. Side panel replacement kit. Foam sealing strip provided to seal the possible gap. Our AC side panel replacement kit is perfect for replacing your old cracked/damaged side panels, with no air leaking through the holes. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.